Here I have T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow motion here. So now I'm gonna record this flower spinning, but in slow-mo, because I have no toilet paper here, unfortunately. So let's get it. Okay, we have it. Now let's check it out. So as you can see here on this video, this flower spins quite slower than it usually is, but like at least we have some slow motion. So yeah, that's how you can record videos in slow-mo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.